Look like we playing tennis. He got a big dick, I think his name Dennis. I jerk his dick till that nigga finish, and his dick big and green, it tastes just like spinach. Dude, I love when they send me all the news. I had to make him nut if this ball were blue. He didn't have a clue. He sliding in and out my ass like he's cleaning out gutter. Saw his dick swinging up in the motherfucking hallway. He like me and my friends cause we're all gang. We like dick. And I like his ass cause it's thick. And he gon' fuck my butt till I shake and his dick was dropped, so I spit on the tip. And they bust on my eyes, they eat my ass just like apple pie. If they keep fucking me like this, I might just die. They pop my booty till I cry. He licked my dick and the cum start dripping. I took a bite of his ass, it tastes like lemon pepper chicken. He throw me up in the air, my booty flipping. He ducking his balls in my booty like he Scottie Pippen. Met the nigga last night. Then I rolled his dick like a bike. He's so thick, he looks like the dyke, but that's okay, cause I think his name Mike Jordan. He fucked me while recording. He sent me butt pics this morning. Hands down the greatest nudes I've received. I love when I receive 3 big balls. Look like we playing tennis. He got a big dick, I think his name Dennis. I jerk his dick till that nigga finish, and his dick big and green, it tastes just like spinach. Dude, I love when they send me all the news. I had to make him nut cause his balls were blue. He didn't have a clue. He sliding in and out my ass like he's cleaning out gutter. Dick in a thing of butter. Saw his dick swinging up in the motherfucking hallway. He like me and my friends cause we're all gang. We like dick. And I like his ass cause it's thick. And he gon' fuck my butt till I shake and his dick was dropped.
GG. Nice. Let's go.